Hi everyone, it's Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a quick video, with a craft haul video. And I have a couple of cards to share with you. So first up, I think I mentioned it in a video previously that my local JoAnn store is closing because they're opening up a new store like right down the same walkway. So they will be opening up in a couple of days. So I'm kind of excited about that. So I stopped in there one more time today and picked up some ribbons. So I picked up this Ofray really pretty, it's kind of a cream color ribbon. And then this navy blue with white stitching. And then I picked up this really pretty brown, kind of gauzy type ribbon. And then this pretty navy gauze type ribbon. So picked those up. I think they were 50 cents each, so cheaper than the dollar store. And then I picked up some stamp sets. These were 80% off. And these are really cute. These are just like little craft icons, like the glue gun and the glue stick and the tape. And it says, "I'm stuck on you. Friends stick together. Thanks for sticking by my side." And it actually has the little dies for those. So super cute. And then there's some little like washi tape roll there. Can you see that? Really cute. And then I picked up two of these. I'm gonna give one to a crafty friend, and it's just like Happy Mail and the little envelope with the heart on it and made with love. So super cute little stamp sets by Hero Arts. And I think the first one was by Hero Arts also. Yeah. So that's what I picked up there. And then I stopped by my local Dollar Tree, and I had never seen these before. These are some patches they have. And this is like, it says iron on. I guess it has a little iron on for here. And it's just a heart. And then this really pretty sunflower looking one. Super cute. And then this beautiful butterfly. So I got two of those. So of course I'm gonna try to put these on cards and see how they turn out. And that's from the Dollar Tree. That's all I picked up there. And then from Frank Garcia, I'm totally excited about receiving this haul from Frank Garcia. First up, I picked up this really pretty Prima paper, and it's called Painted Floral Collection, and it's the More Pink Flowers Please, and it has some gold foiling on it. Some writing, looks like in French. It says Paris up there, so super pretty. So I picked up 2 sheets of this, but this is what I was super excited about and could not wait to get. And that was this Graphic 45 set, and it is Let It Be. So as soon as I saw this, I went over to Frank Garcia and picked it up, and I will probably be picking up another pad when scrapbook.com gets it in. This was $13.50, and I used the discount code Anna10, and that's here from Anna here on YouTube. And this paper, it's just, like I said, I was so excited to get this. Kind of has a weird smell coming out of the package there, but that's okay. I'll get over it. Look at that. You get 2 sheets. Let's see, it's doesn't say on the front. I think it's 2 sheets of, I don't know. We'll see. So here's the second sheet. Oh, maybe it's 3 sheets, and it has the black polka dot on the back. Man, this paper really has a smell to it. Definitely need to air it out. And then here's this design. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. And then it has the words on the back. Sunflower wishes, honeybee kisses, honeybee, and then the beehive and the honeybee. Just super pretty. And these, next one is like cut aparts. Has the strips here and down here. Even busy bees stop and smell the flowers. It says Let It Be, Queen Bee. And look at this one, it's just really pretty. And then on the back it's a honeycomb. And there it is again. There it is again. And then look at this, red and yellow. So cute. The little bees on it. Super cute. And I like this too with the green in the cream color. That's that. Oh man, this is some pretty paper. And then here's it again with the sunflowers and the other little flowers in there. And then on the back, it's a wavy yellow. And then this one with the red flowers and the honeybees, the honeycombs in the background. And then it's some words like buzz and super cute. Oh, and then on the back, it's like red. This is so pretty. This is called Be My Honey. I didn't even say the names of them. And this one is the more cut aparts, and it says Busy Bee. And on the back, it's like the bees at nighttime or something, kind of glow. Really cute paper. I may have to get the 12 by 12 of this. And this one is the Just Because. It says let it be happy, be yourself, just because, be original. How cute is that? And then on the back, it has the yellow and black with the honeycomb in the background. See it there? Oh man, this is some really pretty paper, guys. And this is the I want to say, I can't even think. It's so cute. I'm looking at it. I want to look at it again, but I won't put you guys through that. I also picked up the journaling cards, and it's like 32 pieces in here. Let's see what these look like. I saw someone else haul these, and I wasn't sure if I had actually placed an order for these. And then I looked at my order online, and I did. And oh man. These, look at that, like a stamp with a beehive. So cute. Oh, and you can write on the back with the, oh man, these are so cute. Look at that. Hurry up. Love and be loved. Oh, with the little more honeycombs. I love stamps, so this is perfect. Journaling card. It's Beehive, Clothing House, Gents Furnishings. Look at that. That is so pretty. Let it be. Oh, man. What do you guys think of this? Is it just not gorgeous? And those bees were pretty popular last year. And I really adore this paper, so they're going to be popular with me for this year. It says the flower of all the tomorrows are in the seeds of today. How pretty is that? Guys, you want to use both the front and the back. Loved and be loved. Buzz over here. It's so cute. I'm not paying attention to the camera. I'm paying attention to what I'm looking at. It says, even busy bees, stop and smell the flowers. Sunflower wishes and honeybee kisses. This is like on the paper. Don't worry, be happy. And like a postcard on the back. Yeah. Hello, sunshine. I think Graphic 45 outdid their self on this one. Life is beautiful. Be yourself. Oh. And then on the back it's like a postcard. So those are the journaling cards. Those are really pretty. And then I bought the Ephemera. And it's maybe 42 pieces. I'm not sure. Let's look at this. Oh, stuff is spilling out already. Oh, that's all kind of goodies in here. That's the sunflowers and swirly stuff and cutouts with that. Look at that die cut on the end. Oh, and just all kind of wonderful stuff, guys. Look at this. Look at the camera. Little flags. You can make a little banner. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, hello sunshine. Oh man. which is gorgeous. I love this. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Can't even talk. It's so pretty. Alrighty, so picked that up from Frank Garcia, and that's the Graphic 45 collection. It's the Let It Be with all the little bitty Ephemera. Some of these are from the die cuts, the little sections that I just put in there. All right, so I also want to share a few cards I made this weekend. First up is a card made. And it says, here's to one more trip around the sun. So it's the birthday card. I put a little bee on that one. So yeah, I'm all into bees. And used my Cricut to cut out this, what I kind of used as a sunburst. And then stamped it on a just white paper. And I die cut and popped it up with some foam that I got at JoAnn's a couple of weeks ago. And then I made this one. This is for a guy who's a photography buff. It says happy birthday. And this one is for a male birthday. And I kind of use these little pieces from Tim Holtz to give it kind of more of a masculine feel. And then I made this card. So really pretty. This is a cutout. I'm not sure what paper pad that's from. I can't remember it right now, but it was just perfect for what I needed, and so I just decided to use it. And then I put this little bee on here. So man, I'm about the bees, huh? And then I think this is my favorite card that I made. Well, I got two left, sorry. So this one is for a footballer coming up his birthday. And then I just stamped it on the inside, happy birthday, enjoy your day. I just thought it was cool this outside. He could set this up in his room if he wants to. But I think this was my favorite, and I made this here. Look at the colors. It's so loud. It just says, wow, it's your day. And I used this embossing folder. It's called, Ben-Day dots, I think. And it's supposed to look kind of like comic book dots that comic books drawings have in it. So I really like this card a lot. I just think it's such a bright and cheerful card. So let me know which card is your favorite. I have the wow, and then the footballer, and then an encouragement card with the bee, and then the masculine birthday card with the Tim Holtz little gems on them, and then the card for the avid photographer, and then the sunburst card. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you have been subscribed for a while, thank you for your support. Leave me a comment below and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.